Hello guys, this side Siddharth Dubey and today we are going to discuss a topic on chess and racism. So let's see is chess is genuinely related to racism or not. So the point is how this topic came into existence. It was all concerned with a radio organization which is ABC, Australian Broadcasting Corporation, and the point is that they invited a former chess federation official for the discussion of the same topic, but he didn't like the topic and put it outraged on Twitter, and people reacted to it and started criticizing the radio corporation, and so the radio corporation put their answer in their words that why they took these topics. So let's check what did they say. So on the matter, the James Valentine, who is the host of the show, himself came into the picture and revealed that he has taken the post of a father from the Twitter, who talked about his daughter, that how his daughter asked this question with his father that why we do not select the black as a opener instead of white. Why there is such a hard and fast rule through which we are playing the game. And the radio simply took the idea for the discussion, and from there this story has been started. And in the meantime, radio also concluded that yes, it's a part of tradition, it's not a part of racism. But let's dive more into the topic, that how this question even came into the mind of a child. Well, this topic is in the swing after the death of George Floyd, but several peoples of the chess world has criticized this, even a part of discussion through their own ways, that some people have said that this is not a correct thing in the correct context. I mean, that they said that the game is literally hundreds year old, and people are comparing this game with today's problem, with today's kind of racism problem, and they said this is not relevant up to the mark. And the second thing is that some people has argued that a Chinese board game which is mostly being played into Japan, and they started their move with the black. So people has also mentioned the various examples and said that is also a kind of chess which is being played by the people, and the moves started with the black. So they completely oppose the opinion or the thing that it is the chess is concerned with racism. Well, this is not the first time chess has been taken into consideration related to discrimination. For instance, let's take the case of match between the Magnus Carlsen and Amish Giri. In this match, which has happened last year, Magnus Carlsen has started with the black and for supporting a UN campaign of racial discrimination, and but unfortunately that was not the rule of the game. And lastly, UNESCO supported that movement as well. So this proves that this game is associated with, some people tend to associate this game with the racial discrimination, but inherently this game is not concerned with the racial discrimination as such. Well, it is a game. There will be no such advantage to any particular player regarding this. But yes, there is a long-held belief that the person who started with the white is playing to win, and the person who started with the black is playing to draw the game. A kind of thing that is trying to stop the person who is playing with white to win. So yes, there is an additional point that the black person is in a watch that white person should do a mistake and I will turn the table. So yes, so the game is fair from its side, that eventually one has to start with it, and no matter what, because the players on the board side doesn't matter that who is on the black, who is on the white, because they know that how to turn the tables from their side, So I don't think so there is any sort of advantage given to the player who has started with white. Well, according to Manuel Oren's book Indian Chess History, uh, he himself is a grandmaster, and in which he said that there will be influence of place where the game is being originated, where the rules have been setted. So definitely there will be an influence of the place, and he gave an example that if we had set the rules, for example, we definitely may have chooses the black as a starting point. So that was not a part of discrimination, that was a nature. And well, at the end I would like to add some points more, that chess was invented in India, and later went on Persia, and through Persia it went in Europe, and Europeans set the rules and all the things in the chess which we are playing nowadays. And in the meantime, the chess was of various forms. That initially it was of stones and clay, and in the mid time when it was in Persia, the color was red and white. And later on, when it went to Europe, Europeans changed the color according to their playing needs, according to their interest. So there is no point of discrimination all around. And of course, the game is hundreds of years old, so it is not relevant to put the game in today's context. Well, this was my take on the topic, and if you do have any opinions and views, please do write in comment section and tell me how you like the video, how much you like the videos, and what was your perspective on the thing. So thank you so much.